comes to dreams, I have a good news and a bad news. The good news is everybody has the ability to dream and to accomplish your dreams using the God given talent that you have. The bad news is most people will not live the life that they dream of. Not because they don't know what they want, but because they fail to commit to something that leads to real transformation. Whenever my daughters ask me to carry them on my shoulders, I can feel the pain. My shoulder aches, my knee joint is cracking, my waist is painful, and I still dream of walking them down the aisle on their wedding day. And they are just 5 and 1 year old. This is going to be a long journey. This is the reason why I'm deciding to commit. I have dreams. I have purpose. When God calls, He wants us to be in our best. And His calling deserves to be the best of me. It doesn't matter if the purpose, the dreams are so compelling, are so amazing, but if the vessel, the body, my body, is tired, weak, or not fit, or sick, and so for the next 90 days, I am embarking on a new journey. And if you're watching this, this may be a sign that you are called to do the same. I don't want to wake up 90 days and have the same habit, the same health, the same struggles. I want to be able to feel younger, more youthful, and and with more vitality. And if you're watching this video, this may be your sign that you are called to do the same. The next 90 days will be transformational. I will not be the same JM. I hope that you are neither. I will be sharing in my channel my progress on a weekly basis. However, I'm going to document every single day any progress, regardless of how small that is, regardless of it's a failure, regardless of I failed to do something that I intend to do, I'm going to document it anyway and keep it for my purpose. Who knows? That could be a valuable details that can help transform anybody of you in the future. So dare to dream, dare to discover your best self. And if you want to be updated on my journey, I invite you to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on that notification bell so that you'll never miss any updates or any videos that I upload relating to this. See you next week, my week 1.